This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide for configuring your customized trading strategy from TradingView to MT5. Click Create New Automation to start the process. Click Advanced Mode. This mode configures the connection to receive your strategy signals from TradingView and links it to your MT5 for trade execution. Click Continue to proceed with the configuration. Give your strategy a name for your reference. I will use Demo Strategy for this example. Here you choose where the signals are coming from. For this example, we are getting the signals from TradingView, so we select TradingView. Next, you can select the target, which is where you want the signals to be sent to. We want to send the signals to MT5, so we select Forex. Give the target a name for your reference. For this example, we will use Demo MT5. Click Activate Automation. Download the EA needed to load in your MT5. Open the zip folder and right-click on the ChartsConnect folder inside to copy it. Toggle the MT5. Click the file to open up the drop-down menu. Select Open Data Folder. Click MQL5 to select the MQL5 folder in Explorer. Next, click Experts to open up the Experts folder. Right-click to paste the EA folder here. Next, we need to open the Navigator panel. To do that, click View to open the drop-down tab. Select Navigator to open up the panel. Right-click Expert Advisors. Click Refresh to update the list of EAs in this folder. Click on the ChartsConnect EA, the logo that looks like a hat. Click and drag it into the chart. This pop-up window will appear. Make sure you click this to enable DLL. This is a crucial step for the EA to work. Toggle back to ChartsConnect to confirm the installation. This is the connection token. We need to paste it into the EA in MT5. Copy this token. Go back to your MT5. Click Input to see the Settings tab. Paste the connection token you copied earlier here. Type in your ChartsConnect email here to validate the Expert Advisor. Once the credentials are validated, a dashboard will appear. Give it a few moments for the connection. Toggle back to ChartsConnect and click Continue. This panel shows the summary of the strategy and connection status. Click Open Dashboard to view the detailed dashboard interface. In this dashboard, you can find the connection tokens for this strategy. Master token is the token you need to input in your source, which is TradingView. Copy this master token. Now go to your TradingView. Click Indicator to open up the panel. Click Invite, only to find Strategy Genesis. You should be able to see it here once you validate your TradingView username in ChartsConnect under the Access Manager panel. Click Strategy Genesis once to add it on your chart. Depending on your subscription, your version of Strategy Genesis might differ. Click on the Setting button on Strategy Genesis. Paste the master token you copied previously here. Now you have successfully configured the connection from TradingView to MT5 through ChartsConnect. Next step is to configure your own trading strategy using Strategy Genesis. You can find videos on how to use Strategy Genesis from our list of guides.